No. Yay! Yay!
Hello, good morning, Kuromi and mymelody. Today I will go on a picnic. Do you want to come? No, I want to sleep. Okay, bye-bye. Which class do I choose to go on a picnic today? Yes, I like red. Wow, I'm very beautiful.
no.
Hey Cinnamoro, will you come with me on a picnic? Melody said she wants to sleep at home. I will invite Poo to a picnic. No, Hello Kitty, you can't let Poo out of the house or he might get lost. Okay, no problem. I didn't invite him. Goodbye Cinnamoro and my melody. Before I going on a picnic, I will buy food and drinks. Which one do I choose? I want lemonade. Yes, I like lemonade. I don't like ice cream or croissant, and no, I'm going to buy matcha cake. Yay! Wow! Melody and her sister also went on a picnic, and you brought a lot of food. I only brought this, and you guys brought that much. Looks like there's no place for me here. Okay, I'll go somewhere else. Oh no! Look at KUROMI and mymelody on this beach. Wow, there are lots of fish here. Can I join you, mymelody and KUROMI? Yes, please sit next to KUROMI, Hello Kitty. Okay. Hey KUROMI, you got one fish? Wow. Oh no, it's raining very hard. Where do we take shelter, KUROMI? We don't need to take shelter, Hello Kitty. Just enjoy this rain. Okay, KUROMI.